Hi, honey.
Hi, Sayang. Oh, come here. I will show you something. So this is the Mount Agung, the view of the Mount Agung from the 500 meters high. I hope so. You will enjoy
Oh
it.
my god, it's so beautiful.
Alright guys, how are you doing? By the way, I just got the haircut. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. And today with Winnie, we're gonna go to Ubud.
Yes.
We're gonna have stay like Winnie used to work so hard last week and she just need to have a break somewhere.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to one hotel in Ubud.
Yes, we will go to one hotel in Ubud and then we will have a sweet escape.
Why are you laughing? Take off the mask. We at
will
home
have a
still.
we will just have a sweet escape. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Stay tuned guys. See you later.
Just arrived in the Adiwana House Hotel, so we will have a sweet escape here for weekend. Yeah. Ya, makasih.
Alright, we just arrived to the hotel. Winnie is doing the check-in over there, the paperwork and stuff. And I will show you one very cool place here, what I can see at the beginning. And over here is the restaurant. And as you can see, it's beautiful rice field over here. Check this out, guys. Alright, how is the paperwork? All good, Sayang, yeah?
Yeah, we just wait for the room ready, you know.
Alright, perfect. Where we are.
So yes, now we are in Adiwana House. As you see the design of the place, it's called bee house because you know the architecture of this villa is just like the bee house, a beehive. So unique.
Is the pool with the just at the front as the rice fields. That's something kinda new, I have to say. We waiting for the check-in. Like always, we come too early, but that's nothing new, right? Yes, Sayang, that's nothing new, right? We always coming
Yeah,
too early.
we always come too early and then we just, you know, like to explore how the surroundings of the properties where we stay.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Right while waiting, I can't say no to have a coffee with this beautiful view. My coffee is here and Winnie is here. I cannot talk in the restaurant because they're using the very famous artist music, so you know the consequences. But I will show you now.
Alright, so the room is ready actually. We get a 1-bedroom villa and we will see how it is inside. Follow me. Look at the villa with the rice paddies view. I can't wait to jump to the pool.
Ah, the private pool with the private view, that's super cool, isn't it?
Yeah, and then let's see how it is inside. Wow, super cool. Well, actually the properties all is completely made of wood. Wood bamboos, and as you can see also in the ceiling and the top, also made of wood and bamboos. It's beautiful, yeah?
I really like the painting.
Yeah, and the most important thing, you know what they prepared? They also prepared the mask, alcohol, and everything.
And here is
So
the another
cool.
entrance to the...
Yeah, and then this is the door, the balcony to see the private pool. Wow. So cool, isn't it? With the green rice paddies. Now let's see the bathroom. Look at the paintings.
I told you my favorite painting. I really like it.
Paintings.
Super cool.
Let's see how the bathroom. Oh, they have an open air bathroom shower here. Well, normally this place costs you around 3 million until 3.5 million per night, around 200 until $250. But today we just paid around $40 per night, around 600k rupiah. It's really good deal.
So yeah, we just paid $40 for this room, around $40 for this room, for this villa, and it's super cool and it's super good deal. And we decided we're gonna talk now about how much is the place, because sometimes people are thinking as everything we're getting for free, and that's because of we put this on YouTube. No, it's not like that. If we like something, we just put this on our channel. If we don't like, we will just don't put. Simple as that, right, Sayang?
Yes, we always put our honest review about wherever we stay, whatever it is. We
Yeah,
always
exactly.
put it honest review.
I put a lot of many times as I drink coffee somewhere, but I always pay for that coffee. Nobody give it for free. I just like it, and it's sharing is caring, right, guys?
Yeah.
Check this out. Normally in the hotels you have like a plastic thing like this. This is like keep quiet, and here is clean my room. Cool. Just few words about me. Winnie is here. I used to work on my laptop. As this like a super cool deals are just now because of the current situation, and that's why we are trying to use the opportunity to stay in this fancy hotels, especially as we cannot travel too much, especially abroad during the current conditions, because of the tests and the limitations and stuff. Traveling in Indonesia is also at the moment still very difficult. We have to wait at least for another 2 months. So why not to use the opportunity to discover the Bali hotels, like this one. Alright guys, the GoPro is here making the time lapse by Coke. Unfortunately, as usual, Winnie is working hard over here. Yes, Sayang? But for me, well, I have nothing to do, so I will just try to enjoy my life as usual, right? So I will just jump to this lovely private pool. Oh, I hit. I didn't say by words, but it was close. Anyway, the water is bit cold, so I learned one trick. If it's water cold, you just have to jump. Don't try, don't slowly, just jump. So I will show you guys around. By the way, if you will ask why the water is cold, in Ubud and more north will be cool because it's jungle, rice, and it's more higher than the sea level. In the, you know, coastline somewhere in Uluwatu especially, the water is even too hot. But yeah, that's how it is. Okay. So I'm after swimming. Winnie's still working, and oh shit, I forgot about my bathtub. Check this out, guys, it's overfull. Oh. This is actually, I didn't plan this. This is really unexpected. I was just swimming in the pool and I just noticed this is something weird happened with the bathtub. Anyway, now is the bathtub time.
All right. Look at this monkey. Hey. Are you enjoying? Good? Everything is good?
All good.
Yeah, Damian is enjoying his life. While me, I have to work, and work. Check this out.
So
After finish working, I just wanna chill out by the pool and then relax my mind, and then after that I will have to work again.
working.
Yeah. Bro, then.
How is the water, Sam?
It's okay. It's not
Chill?
so cold.
Not cold,
Not
but
so cold.
little bit chill, yeah? Alright, I will go explore a little bit area around. Unfortunately, Winnie is busy working. As you can see, she will work till late today. So yes, sayang.
Yeah.
So
Sorry that I couldn't join you today.
Alright, guys, I will show you guys around and have to say bye bye to Winnie. Bye, sayang. I'm just walking outside the hotel. Hotel is here. Here will be the construction, so I believe will be another hotel or residential area. Yeah. Basically, where I walk now, this is the rice field, and this is the wall, and behind this wall is the villa, and Winnie is working there. So, by the way, it's beautiful rice, as you can see. Oh, have to jump. That's the villa. Check this out, the Mount Agung, so beautiful now. Right, basically our plans are a little bit changed. Unfortunately, we have to work, like I said before. I wanted to explore a little bit area around, but because of behind me is the beautiful Mount Agung volcano, which is not super often happened. It's very rare view, as it's so nice. I will take off my drone from the car and I will start flying around. I hope so will be no problems over here.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Right, so after we have a chill out, swimming, and then now it's time.
You have a break from work?
Yeah, I have a break from my work. So now I will have a dinner here in the restaurant. And what you have to see, that's Mount Agung. It's beautiful.
Alright, we just come back from the dinner. Food was nice, and I was as hungry as I forgot to record this. Sorry, guys. And yeah, we need sleepy. We will just chill out.
Alright, I think that's all for today. We already finished our dinner, and then we just wanna chill out, and then it's already a late night. Now I would like to say thank you guys. You already following us and then joining us when we arrive here, and then yeah, thank you for watching, and then remember, new video is every day at 7 p.m. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.
I'm running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you.